What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today we're drawing Tom the cat from Tom and Jerry. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the nose. We're going to start on the left side. Let's curve the nose going up and then down towards the right. Let's going to round out the nose, come in and then down towards the center point, go up and out on the right. Let's go to the top of the nose, draw a small oval for highlight, and we'll fill the outside of the nose in black. Let's go to the top of the nose and add a fold. Starting on the left side, we go up and bend that down. Go to the right side and do the same thing. I'm just going to layer the cheeks on top. So let's go all the way over toward the left side. We're going to bend this in, leaving a gap, and then bend that all the way out. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. So I'm going to start by lining this up, come in, and then bend that back out. Now in between the cheek and the fold, we're going to add a curve, coming in and then down. And then from the center tip of the nose, we're going to curve the mouth, coming down and then up in behind the cheeks. Let's start with the left side. Coming down and then up. Now let's open up the mouth, coming in and then down towards the bottom. So start on the left, coming in and then down. Same thing on the right. Let's close off the bottom of the mouth with a curve. Now along the bottom of the mouth, we're going to add the tongue. Let's start on the left. We're going to add that fold going up and then down towards the right. Let's step back up, go up, and then back down. Now we're going to trace the bottom edge of the mouth, starting on the left, coming down toward the lip, and back up. Now let's go back up to the top and draw on the eyes. We're going to start over on the left side, draw a large oval. We're going to go up toward the top of the eye, round this out, come down, and then in on top of the cheek. Let's go over towards the right. We're going to go up towards the same height, come around, and then down. Let's push the iris and pupil towards the inside. So on the left side, we draw an oval, going up, down, and then in. Let's line that up on the right side. Now I'm going to push the pupils towards the inside. So we're going to draw a smaller oval, coming in towards the inside of the eye. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add in the eyebrows. Starting on the left, curve this up and then down. Line that up on the right. Let's go back to the outside. We go up higher in the middle and then back down towards a point. Let's fill the eyebrows in black. Let's add that trim in between the eyes, starting right in the center with a half oval. We're going to go up and then down. Go back to the left side, draw a short curve going up and then down in towards the eyes. Let's add that trim around the mouth coming down from the cheeks. So we're going to start on the left, curve this down. I'm just going to bend this in towards the side of the lip. From the side of that fold, we're going to add a curve going up and then down towards the cheeks. And we'll add a point on the end, going up and then in. Let's add another point, going out and then down. Now I want to curve this up and then in toward the side of the head to right about there. Just want to curl this around, coming around and then down. Let's add a point, go up and then back in. Let's add another point, going up and then out. Then it's up and then in towards the inside of the ear. Now I want to curve the ear going up and then out towards the top. So let's start on the left, going up and then bending that out. And then we're just going to bend this back in towards the top of the head. I just want to taper it so it gets wider as you come in, just up above the eyebrows. Now I want to brush the fur over towards the right side. So let's start from the base of the left ear, then this up, and then across. I'm just going to add a point, coming back over. Let's add one more point, going across, and then back in. Just going to round out the head, coming in towards the right ear. Now from the tip of the ear, we're going to draw the outside edge. So let's start on the left. We're going to come down, bend this out, round out the ear, and then pull that back in on top of the cheek. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming straight down, bend this out, and gradually bend that back in. On the outside of the nose, inside the muzzle, we're going to draw 2 whiskers on either side. So let's start on the left. We're going to bend this up, and then out. We'll line it up on the right side. Let's step down, go across, and then down. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of the mouth. And we want to work our way around the tongue. Now let's sign an art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Tom the cat from Tom and Jerry. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.